Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video, this is what we are going to be learning how to sew a boxy crop top. Guys, I used a contrasting color to sew this cloth so you can see what is going on, how I'm making it. But now I think I'm actually liking this color on my clothes, so if I wear a lemon skirt on it, it's going to be a bang. No, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do so now, please. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, watch my videos till the end, share my videos with your friends and family, and let's ride together in the channel. So without too much talking, let's get to the honey of this video. Papa. So the materials you are going to be needing: you need your scissors, you need your chalk, you need your pattern master, you need your tape, and I've just used this marker to write out my measurements, and of course you need your fabric. So without much talking, let's get to it. So now I'm going to be folding my fabric into four. I'm cutting everything together, both the front and the back. I'll fold it into two like this, and I'll fold it into two again. So now the bust measurement I'm using is 36 inches. So 36 divided by 2 is 18 inches. 18 divided by 2 is 9 inches. We are dividing our bust measurement by 4. I first divided it by 2. 36 divided by 2, that's 18 inches. Then I'm dividing it by 2 again, which is 9 inches, because our fabric is folded into 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's folded into 4. I first folded it, then I folded it again. So that 9 inches, I'm going to add 1 inch for ease and 1 inch for seam allowance, making 11 inches. The length of my blouse, I don't want it to be more than 20 inches. So I'm adding extra 1 inch. The length of my blouse is 20 inches. I'm adding extra 1 inch for sewing allowance at the top and the bottom part. So I'm adding extra 1 inch for sewing allowance. Now cut it out. I don't want to add any zip to this cloth. I just want it to be a free top. Just want it to be really free. So now for the sleeve, it's a cut together sleeve. So I'm going to measure this place, which is 11 inches. From here I'm going down by 2 inches for the shoulder slant, and here I'm coming out by 3 inches for the shoulder slope. I'll connect the line. Then I'll cut it out. Then for the sleeve, I'm coming down by the round sleeve that I want is 12 inches, like the wideness of the sleeve that I want is 12 inches plus 1 inch, that's 13. 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. So let me just use 7 because I want it really wide. Let me just use 7 inches. Then I'll come in by 1 inch, 1.5 inch. Oh, the fabric is really small, guys, so I'm just trying to manage it. I don't want it to waste, so I thought of doing a boxy crop top tutorial with it. So I came in by 1 inch, and I'm going to just join a straight line down. Then I'll cut it out. For the neckline, I don't want to add a zipper, so I'm just going to cut the front and back neckline the same way so that it can be easy to wear. So I'm going to measure, okay, let me measure 1 inch for the back. Let me just measure 3 inches for the front and the back. I'm trying to make everything very fast. So 3 inches for the front and the back. As you can see, it came out really nice. So I'm marking out the wrong side of the fabric. Look at it. This is how it's going to be, a boxy top. So now I'm just going to go and join everything by ½ inch. I'll join the shoulder with ½ inch. I'm leaving this place open because this is the sleeve opening. Then I'm joining the 2 sides with ½ inch seam allowance. After doing that, I'll hem the neckline and hem the down part. Then I want to use this strip to design the sleeve part. Let me measure it. Don't forget, you are joining the shoulder. You're joining the shoulder by ½ inch. This place you are leaving it open. Then you go ahead and join this place too by ½ inch. I hope you all understand. So for the sleeve, I want to use this to make a pleat around the sleeve part, the sleeve area. So So I have about 22 inches here, so I'm just going to use that to make a pleat around the sleeve opening area, just to design my blouse. I'm going to do everything and show you as I do it. Let me go and start off camera by joining the shoulder and the sides. Beautiful people, I've gone ahead to stitch the shoulder sides with 0.5 inch seam allowance, and I've also stitched the sides with 0.5 inch seam allowance also, which is also half inch seam allowance. So now I'm using this contrasting color so you guys can see clearly what I'm doing here. Okay, when you are doing yours, kindly use a matching color. So I'm going now to stitch, so hem the neckline and the down part of the clothes. When I'm done with that, I'll show you the final look. But before then, I'm going to take that little strip that we cut earlier to make a pleat around the sleeve area. I'm going to do all of that off camera now. I'll come back to show you. I've gone ahead to hem the neckline. I've also done beautiful pleats on the two sleeves of the clothes, and I've also done the hemline. So the next thing I'm going to do is to give it a good press.